Hello, welcome to my new channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple strategy, but still profitable. I'm not going to use any indicators, but I'm going to use trend lines and horizontal lines. See, I have already made a video earlier, but the explanation and everything was not recorded. I realized that the recorder was turned off after I made my first trade. Okay, so I'm remaking this video, actually this intro of the video, to explain it to you. Okay? Okay, now we are looking for something like this. Okay, this is a good one. So I'm going to okay, this is a nice up and down like this, very neat. Okay, I'm going to draw a trend lines. Oops, sorry, not that. So yes, trend lines. I'm going to put it right here in the support area. Okay, this is the support area. I'm going to copy, and this is the resistance. Okay, like this. You see that this chart will go up and then hit the resistance area, and if it's so, then I'm going to click here down, and the chart will go down like this and hit the support area, and it will bounce up again, and that's when we click this up. Okay, as simple as that. Now okay, we are going to do the trades. Okay, now as you can see, I have placed my first trade over there in the resistance area. Okay, let's take a look at other market. Okay, now this one has a breakout from the support line and it goes down. Normally I would skip this kind of chart, okay, because it's I don't know how to predict where it's going to go, but yeah, okay. Okay, I'm just going to do this. I don't know if okay. Okay, this one looks very good, I think. Yep, this one is going to be profit, I think. It's way down from our open position. There you go. We have made our first profit. Okay, 2 position, 1 profit and 0 loss. Okay, this one is also good. Alright, I'm going to change the time, give it 5 and up. Okay, this is very good. This is very good. It's going up, I think. Okay, we'll wait and see if there is anything else. Okay, this one I lost this one, I think. Yes, okay, it's okay, we have 3 positions, 1 profit and 1 loss. Okay, this one. Okay, I'm going to, when it reach the first resistance line, okay, I'm going to press there. Okay, this one looks good. Now this one, if I have 2 resistance line, this one, if this doesn't work well, I'm going to do it again and press the down button when it hits the second resistance line on the above the top side. Okay, this one is good. Okay, Okay, well, you see, I have drawn two lines here, the trend lines and the horizontal lines. I don't know what I'm going to do with this and this one. See, it's going to go to that horizontal lines in the resistance area. Let's see, okay, we'll go back here. Yes, okay, okay, here. I think I'm going to open it down again 2 times because most likely it will go down. It will go down. Probably lost one over there, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be profit for the other two in the second resistance line. Okay, this one is looking good. Oh yes, okay, this is nice, very nice. Yes, okay, that's 2 profit and 1 loss. Okay, yep. So it's going down. Let's see if I can make that. Okay, yeah, okay, 1 is lost. Okay, I'm sure these two second position will profit, I think. There you go, that's 2 profit. Oh, I missed it. Okay, that's okay, that's profit. That means I have opened 6 positions and 4 profits and 2 losses. That's okay, that's okay. Okay, now I think this one still can go down, so I'm going to open another position there. Okay, this one looks good. Let's see if I can still make profit of this. Yes, very nice. That's 5 profits and 2 losses. Okay, let's see this one. Okay, okay. I think I still can make it because this is very far support area. Okay, wait. This one, I'm not sure. This, I think I can. I need to reach here. Okay, we'll wait for that one. Oh, this one. Yeah, we'll see, we'll see. Okay. 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 Okay, I'm just going to hit this round. The one I lost, yes, but it hits the resistance lines, and I'm going to do that twice there because I'm pretty sure it's going down. I'm sure it's going down. See? Oh my god, yes. Okay, so okay, that's 1 profit. Okay, let's see another one. Yeah, I think this one's yes. Okay, that's 7 profits and 3 losses. As you can see that my initial balance was $100 and now the balance is $127.5. That means I made $27 within this is around 30 minutes. I think that's 27.5% of the profit. Okay, I think that's all for now. I'm going to see you in my another videos. Okay, stay tuned. Bye.